Get our YouTube up. I think we're good to go now, actually. All right. We are live on YouTube, live on TikTok. All right, let's get this day started. Let's get this day rolling, guys. We don't have that much on our up gappers list, but we do have a lot in this market. So let's go and get going. First of all, what I want to talk about is SL had an amazing day Friday, ripping up from 330 to a high of $6 and now closing at 78. NZO is now sitting at $12 free market with a high of $13 and $4 market. This thing has been moving, and I do expect it to sell off for the rest of the day. Maybe a possible panic pop up to 13, 13.5. We might be able to catch that one. We're going to be selling quick into those profits because we know that this is gapping up over 200%. And if we actually look at the most recent price action, we can see that come up, hard flush. Push up, hard flush. Push up, flush. Then, off a trigger point, breaking out of this downtrend, we push up, flush. Just not what, it doesn't have that buying momentum anymore. And I don't think we're going to see it push higher. What is the news behind BSO? BSO? News. I think this is just hype. I see Discord Monday looking at BNSO, so I mean we're gonna have to see what happens, see if the traders are still there. We did break lower, so I want to see this actually bounce off the VWAP. A nice squeeze up and dump on and off for the rest of the day. We're gonna try to catch on that 13, that volatile moment. We're gonna be getting out on this. Actually decided to take it. I'm jumping. 220 people, guys. Everyone smash that like button. Let's get up to 1,000 likes. If you are looking to trade and learn, go ahead and come out and select Alpha Day Trading. We have lessons there. You get plenty of free access. I think it's around 10 hours of lessons access to the video lessons library and on the page. And also, could somebody let me know if you can actually see the link in the bio? Swipe over multiple people. Because I know TikTok has been having a bug lately where actually readers so that's unfortunate, but if you guys can help me out and let me know if you guys can. Alright, so we BNZO started to crack on down. Oh no. Oh no. Oh! Whoa! My buddy just jumped into a short position on the SPY. It's absolutely jumping. Good for him if he got in early enough. Thank you guys for live. We have 100 people in here. Again, guys, what's going on with the SPY? What's going on with the Qs? What's going on with Tesla? Let me know any tickers that you can look up real quick. So right now, we're going to actually go ahead and you can see the daily here. I'm going to move my daily chart over. We've been having a rally, you know, just not really kind of building up on this kind of barrier to break to the upside. When we did break above, we kind of pushed up above this high and then absolutely got slammed down. You know what that's telling me is that the institution wanted to step up higher. We surpassed 17.5. Well, I was in about 1 quarter, 2 weeks ago. Another quarter last week, another half jump on it this. But I mean, seriously, with the SPY, we are absolutely popped over that high and it absolutely got rejected. We'll see to the downside today if we can fall. I do expect us to come back and touch Monday's high at 414. I think that's definitely possible. I mean, we're seeing a lot of volatility right now in the market with the now and CPI. So we're just going to be sitting in our hands waiting for the best opportunity. Now, where do I think the SPY is going to go today? In my opinion, I mean, cracked over that high, could continue to the downside. I mean, low 416.11. I do think back down to 4. If we pull back down to 4, then we're going to have to realize whether if we're going to consolidate, accumulate, and break higher, or if we're going to break lower. So we have to really identify what happened there within the targets. Again, nothing is guaranteed. Don't always have a plan, have an idea, what invalidates that idea. I don't like that we have on Benzo on the 1 hour. It's very heavy volume to the downside, which is fine. Excuse me. All right, LPX. Let's go ahead and look at LPX. I think we could have some bullish movement to the upside here. On the daily, it looks like we're definitely due for a correction. On the 4 hour, it looks like we are getting, that we could see a LPX probably up to 62.48 and then 60.10, possibly today, possibly within 2 days, but we're getting that momentum or that moving average squeeze. And with the moving average squeeze, we are having doji candle, smaller candle, high. So that's giving me some confidence that I think that we could actually see this start to round off and higher. Good morning, Tech Beginners. Bless you. How are you doing this morning? I'm doing good. You know, just waking up later than normal. You know, not waking up later than normal. I woke up normal time, but I just groggy, not feeling it today. So guys, today I'm going to be cutting my size in half when I'm trading. Plus, on Friday, last month I had an amazing month. I made like or just over that. So I got confident coming in the first week. First day I made $100. So then on Friday, got overtraded because I wanted to make money, didn't want to follow my strategy. But I had a good amount of loss. I think I lost like $1 or something like that. Cut my size back just to get my confidence and still instill the right rules that I want to while I'm trading. I don't want to trade. I want to make money. That's not what I want to trade. That's how I wanted to trade on Friday, but that's not how I'm going to trade. I lost 170 last week. Hey, that's not bad. I mean, 170. I'm down around that last week as well. I definitely think we'll come back and kill it this month. We still have 3 weeks left. We just got to stay disciplined. Ready? Get this. I have 100% faith that we're going to come up on top, no matter what. If it's on this month, or if it's next month, or if it's a year from now, if we don't stop, we're just driven and push on top. Hope to see you. I hope to see you there. I know you'll be there if you're sticking alpha, stick discipline. That's all it is. It's like there's so many times where I've wanted to quit trading, like it. Didn't understand it. But you just gotta keep pushing. Don't listen to anybody. Try to tell you that day trading is not real. Damn. Don't. I've almost started to believe that a couple months ago, like more than a couple months ago, 7 months ago, maybe more than that. But you just gotta push through that until what you want to. I want to do. I want to scout the buying orders that come through on trigger. So when I see traders that are very eager to buy, I look to trade on those eager buyers. That is what I look to do. IBM, all right? IBM did push up over that previous high during pre-market, and we are now above that high. If we stay above 132.92, I definitely. Oh, haha! Thank you. Totally forgot about that. Hopefully that's a lot better. IBM, I do think we're going to see, we could continue to the upside. We didn't really have a lot of volume, yes, on Monday to break out, but I mean, if we do break above and hold this 132.84, which we're already broken out, but if we hold this level, I do think we have room up to 134 and then eventually even 135. Awesome, loud and clear. Awesome. Thank you for letting me know. Totally forgot. That's with IBM. And again, with IBM, let's go and jump down to the 4 hour or the 1 hour here. Yep, breaking above. But I don't want to see a false breakout over this level. This is a key level at 132.90. At 132.90, you break to the upside, people who are short have to cut their loss, have to cut it, because if I'm looking to go short, I'm going to buy off a rejection. I'm going to buy off a rejection off this high. Now, if we break above this high, I got to cut my loss because now my trade idea is invalid. But if I'm long, I'm going to look to buy the breakout for it to go higher for people. So that we have to find that balancing, that teeter-totter, or the trigger point on where all traders are looking to do in the market. And right now, and it kind of explains, you want to react. So break above, we're going to continue higher. As long as we do not continue pull back. We got to see a good retest. We got to see strong buying. We had a bullish engulfing candle on Monday. That's sending us into today. I'm not a huge fan of BNSO, excuse me. Yeah. SPY is dumping. All right. Yeah, what's going on with the SPY? What's going on? I don't even see news. Let's go ahead and look at Alpha. Let's see if Alpha has any. CPI. Definitely chop until CPI. The bad CPI pulls us down out of the window last time. Dropping early earnings. Okay, okay. I honestly think it has to be technical analysis, guys. The only thing that would possibly bring SPY down to have a drawdown like this was for us to have a false breakout over this high. We had nice strong momentum yet on Friday. We broke above this previous high here, and now we're kind of falling back. So that indicates to me that we're a false breakout and we have more room lower. We'll just have to see if this momentum continues to the downside. False break over 416. Thank you guys for the follow. Thank you guys for shooting it out. As we're just sitting on our hands waiting for the best opportunities. I do not see anything at the moment. MEGL. Not really sure. KRTX. Not a fan. So at the moment, guys, we have a very, very small watch list for our type of trades. Now, what's my top stock to watch for today? Now, my top stock to watch is going to be BNSO. Not because I think it's going to go to the moon, but because I think it's going to be super volatile out of the gate, and we might be able to capitalize on that volatility. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy it for anticipation, see that pop. I'm going to be scalping those profits. And again, in this market, we can see flush, 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 flush. I'm definitely going to be taking profits quick, especially since Friday we closed below $5 and now we're sitting above $11. Netflix. All right. Forex trader, no, I'm a equities trader. I'll look up Netflix in 1 sec. That's straight vodka, if you guys don't know. NFLX. All right, Netflix. We are kind of consolidating. I mean, not really. We're kind of building up. Could possibly be a breakout on the daily chart here, or not a breakout, an ascending triangle. You can see here. Let's go ahead and adjust this a little bit more. I don't like that we kind of broke out. If we break out to the upside, our first target for Netflix is going to be 245.17. Which I think Netflix could absolutely hit. I mean, we'll see what happens, and that could be a good move. I do like Netflix for the possible ascending triangle. So that's very good. I do like that we're kind of consolidating. Let me go ahead and take a picture of that real quick. What is it? NFLX. Go ahead and send it into the X. All right, so BNZO is our top stock to watch today. Just kind of sitting on our hands waiting for the best opportunity. You know, as normal, trading is boring, trading is risky. Don't accept your risk, you're not going to make money. Accept your risk, accept your loss, and take that loss. Thank you guys for the follow. If you guys are trying to learn how to trade, how to just use TD Ameritrade, if you want to talk to a listen to a six-figure trader, there's I think 5 to 10 hours worth of videos that you guys can get access to in Alpha Day Trading video lessons. Go to the link in my bio, go to Alpha Day Trading, and then select video lessons library, and then select free. So if you guys are interested in getting some free education, go ahead and head over there. Plus, also, if you want the scanners and Josh Howerton's live, you know, you can get access there too. It's actually cheaper if you want to get scanners to help find stocks to scan through all the 8,000 stocks there are. Find 5 that are willing to trade. If you want the top of the line scanners, you are going to have to pay $2,400 a month. With Alpha Day Trading, you pay half that. Not even. No, not a month. Excuse me. Trading these scanners is $2,400 a year. And if you Alpha Day Trading, you can get it for $60 a month with those. With the scanners. The scanners are key. Plus, with Josh being able to break them down, I love it. You're right, TBLT is kind of moving, starting to get some action. You're right, Tech for Beginners. If we actually look at the 15-minute time frame too, look, we can see that we're starting to break this downtrend. So I think TBLT is a great one to watch today. Targets are going to be obviously 740, but that's a little close. $8 and $8.50. So actually, I really like TBLT. I might get TBLT for a possible pullback onto this trend line during market hours, and I'm gonna look to catch this and push this up to 8. I'm gonna look for around $8. And I'll take around I'll take around 70 shares. Now, if we can get this pullback, we're getting a lot of volume here. And we'll see what market opens. I might get, I don't know what I'm going to plan on. I'll have to develop my trade plan as we kind of push into market open. But what I'm going to look to do is take around 50 shares and see if we can get that pop up to $8. If we get that pop up to $8 for TBLT, I think I will take some. I mean, we might be able to squeeze up to $8.50, but we'll see what happens with TBLT. Anything can happen. So as always, have a trade plan. Thank you guys for stopping in. Everyone, let me know what stocks you want me to look at, and if there are any likes, or not any likes. Everyone, like the stream. It helps TikTok. Let's get to 1,000 likes. I know we can. And I see like TBLT, Tech for Beginners pointed it out, great, is breaking out of kind of a pennant on the 5 minute and 1 minute. But if we actually zoom out and look at the 15 minute here, we can actually see that this is an overall bigger pattern. Nice downtrend break. So I do want to see us break above, and then I do want to see us have a retest of some in this area, and before absolutely seeing this move all the way up to 850, which I think is definitely possible with TBLT. And BNZO looks pretty good. It's a little bit, I mean, it's definitely overextended, and I definitely won't be buying any breakouts. I'll be buying anticipation for that breakout and selling into the breakout, because I know that TBLT or BNSO is very, very volatile and likes to flush. We have a flush, 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 flush. That's in the span. That's in the span of 2 hours. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different flushes in 2 hours. I don't know about y'all, but that does not sound like a good stock to trade. IVR, let's go in and look. IVR, don't like it in pre-market. We did get a lot of volume on Friday, so I do like that. If we can continue this momentum to the upside, we might be able to see this break over 18. Over 18, next target's gonna be 1850 to fill the gap. But if this momentum looks pretty strong, because we have pretty high relative volume, we might be able to see it all the way up to $20. And if we break over 20, the next target is going to be 2157 to fill the gap. So I do think IVR is bullish because of that volume yesterday, and we can hopefully it'll continue to break to the upside. So we have 5 minutes left until market open. Let's get ready, guys. Trading is boring, trading is risky, as always. You got to remember that you're consistent, but everything is random. Never risk more than 3%. It's okay not to trade cash as a position. Always use a hard stop. I will always have 3 reasons to jump into every single trade. I will have consistent position sizing, but to this week, I cut my position sizing in half just because I did take a big loss on Friday because I didn't follow my strategy because I wanted to make money. So I've got to build my confidence back with smaller size, and then I'm going to go back to normal size next week. So only trade strong trends. That's also another one. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Thank you guys for the follow, guys. Today we're not really seeing amazing. Yeah, we have a couple stocks running, but most of our gappers are just low volume shit plays. Mine is BNSO. BNSO is already ripping and running. Don't buy the breakout. It is already ripped over 200%. If you're holding this overnight, let's say you have Robinhood. If you have Robinhood, you're trading on Robinhood. If you bought it yesterday, you can't trade after hours of pre-market. So as soon as that market goes live, you're going to want to take profits. And I'm assuming that's what everyone's doing. That's what a lot of traders are also looking. So a lot of traders are short biased on this at the moment because of how much it jumped up. And again, that could create a squeeze. Let's go ahead and look at Invis and see what the short interest is. Short float is only 0.06%. So no one's looking to short this. They don't have so that's good. That's very good. I mean, depending. I mean, not really actually, just because if there was a high short float, this could be a short squeeze. If it was a short squeeze, we're going to continue to get that buying volume to continue to push it up because people have to cover their shorts. But since there's not a lot of people shorting, again, I don't know how up to date Finviz is, but we could possibly. I want to see a nice squeeze up at 13.5 before we actually continue to drop on off here. Cruise Lines, I don't know that ticker. Bro, give $700. I need a laptop. Hey, that's not how that works. That's not how capitalism works. Yeah, you sure to invest in it. Well, invest that $700 in Bitcoin or Ethereum. And hey, if you buy Bitcoin with it today, you will be able to buy a laptop in 2-3 years. a nice laptop, whatever you want. So buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin's very safe. I mean, okay, safe is I don't want to use that word because it's an unregulated market. Market makers. There's this theory that I've been thinking more about is this Bitcoin blanket theory. So the government or what organization or Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin. They created Bitcoin so that it's anonymous and it starts to get adopted because nobody wants to have a company or a token that is centralized, like the U.S., like China, like Russia. Since Bitcoin is decentralized, it gets global adoption because nobody's really in control. Then governments can start flowing their projects and their cryptocurrencies underneath Bitcoin, using that as a blanket to get mass adoption. So, I mean, they could send Bitcoin to zero. I mean, I'm not saying they will. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm saying it's always a possibility because you get burned as an investor when you don't accept all the possible outcomes. 250 likes, guys. Let's get this to 1,000 likes. We have 64 people in here. Everyone smash that like button. Everybody slam it. Everyone just give me 50 likes and we'll get there. Let's do this, guys. Let's have a wonderful trading day. We have 17 seconds left until market open. We're going to see if we can get that squeeze from BNSO over 12 to 13. So we're going to see what happens. I don't really have anything else that I'm watching besides TBLT. TBLT is at 7:15. Ooh, I do like TBLT. I really do like TBLT, and I really should have a 7:15. I would have to risk below 7. No, I wasn't able to capitalize on it. Let's see. I like that retest. Come on, pull back just a little bit more. Yep, 7:15. I'm risking 7. I'm risking below 7. I just entered with 50 shares for the break. My stop loss is at $7. I'm risking 15 cents here for the possibility to gain 25 for the first target. Next target is $8. Let's see that push. Let's see that continuation. See a very good continuation here. I like that volume with a strong bullish momentum. As soon as we crack 740, I'm up 25 cents a share. We'll see if it does crack. We'll see if we can get this buying momentum. Let's see it over 740. Let's see this continue. Where's that tape? Let's see that tape. We're not seeing that buying pressure. We're not seeing it. Again, my stop is below $7. So right now we have 20 cents, 25 cents that we can actually give this some breathing room. Oh. Hold on.
Go.
What's good? I decided to cut my position size in half this. Yep. So, man, I took TBLT for the retest of the downtrend over the multi-day downtrend. Don't like that. I should have looked at the 15-minute and stuff, but oh, good. All right, let's see. We have this pretty snappy to the upside. I'm in at 7.16 for TBLT. Stop is below 7. Looking for it to come up to 7.40 and then $8. I'm risking 15 cents for the possibility to gain 85 at max target. If we don't start getting that buying momentum, I think I'm gonna go and put my stop in place. Go look at BS and O. I like BS and O. I want to see this quick squeeze up to 13 and then a dump. I think we're going to dump on off for the rest of the day just because this is up 130%. People are going to be wanting to sell. I think I have a good stop here. I want to just start to move. Once. Oh yeah, take your time. Oh my goodness, the SPY is jumping back up. What are you buying? I just bought a TVLT. Don't buy TVLT. I'm not saying to buy it. I'm using my strategy. I'm gonna cut it in this delay. You might get burned. So I'm looking at TVLT. Come for the possible move higher, guys. If you want to see my screen better, come over to YouTube. YouTube is so much clearer. You can see my stream. Oh. I do like TVLT. I do really like TVLT. I'm going to give it a little bit of breathing room. We have very light volume to the downside here. I have my stop in place. I'm just letting this kind of play out. Letting this play out. Again, if I get stopped out, I get stopped. Yep. Stopped out right here. Fine, if I do. Yeah, I know all the meme names. What else is pumping it? What else is a meme name? We also have a AMC's ripping. Oh. We also have a TOMZ. Well, no, it's not a hype. It's not one of those, but it's ripping. BBBY. Your win rate? Yeah. You have to hold. Not really. I mean, I'm looking at BBBY. Bed, Bath, and oh, it's short squeeze. Looks like it's about to break out here, but I'm not going to buy it. Confidence. Man, I really should have, but could have easily caught 60. No way. Man, I should have jumped in for BBY. I knew it was going to be there, but I just wasn't confident. Looks like BBY is about to halt too. That was a false halt by BBBY. False halt. I was jumping in for the. It was coming up for a halt. I started seeing orders starting to stack, and it just halt. I might buy the break and retest at 1250. A little bit more of a pullback here. We're at 1250. We see very light volume. This that buying orders start to come in. Stops. That got killed. Oh, possibly. Yeah. Let's see that squeeze. Let's see that pop. Come on, BBY. No. Let's see this buying pressure. I'm not trusting it. Not trusting it. It could break here. Don't trust BB. Took a stab at it. Took a little trade. Did not trust. Got out very. Yeah, I was in for a small. I was looking for that scalp, but just wasn't able to get it. TBLT is about to stop me out. My stop's at 7. Let that kind of play out. That is exactly why I cut my loss. Got out at 12.78. AMC's unhalted. AMC is at. Dude, Monday it had an amazing day too. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Starting to flush. Come on, TBLT. If you're going to stop me out, just stop me out. I mean, there. Oh. Oh, yeah, there's a good soaker. Oh, I got. Oh, yeah, yeah, 1207. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Bye. You down a good amount? Oh, BBY might start to flip. I don't know, but if it falls back below 1207, It breaks what level? Gee, rejected. Nice double bottom on HLBZ. This buying pressure start. A lot of buying orders at 120, 102. We need HLBZ to have a soaker. 101. Yeah. It is. Yep. Stupid. Oh yeah. Yeah. Like if it's not going in my direction right away. Oh no. Oh no. I only trade so I yeah, cut it in half. But what I'm also doing is if it doesn't go in my direction right away, I scale out. I'm in on HLBZ at 103. I don't know the false. No, the false move, false VWAP move. Only risk. I'm risking 3 cents. Holding. I'll risk. I'm risking 4 cents. Not a lot. I don't like that. Well, I mean, yeah, I don't like that. Doji candle at VWAP, but. What's AMC doing? Okay. But yeah, that would have been a great short, but you don't want to get caught in the short. Yep. TBLT just wanted to come stop me out. That's all it wanted to do. My stop was just 7 cents too tight. TBLT starting to rip, but starting to get HLZ, HLBZ. All right, give me 1 second. I gotta go take. Yeah, HLBZ. Let's go. Like the breakout? Sir. Oh, what a false move. My stop's at break even. Yep. Yep. And now that it will knife quick. I think I'm gonna, just because of the fill, I think I'm gonna move my stop to 104. We're just 1 cent. I like how there's not as much volume on that selling pressure, but that's still a lot of selling. Maybe it just wasn't ready to break out then. Yeah, it does move. Start to see HLBZ break this. We're gonna see it rip up to breaks over 120. We're gonna see it rip up to 130. HLBC. Yeah. I like how there's a good amount of volume at this area, but it looks like we're about to crack lower, which is yep. There it is. Break lower, and buyers went up. See if the buyers start coming in. Buyers are here. They'll be coming in. Next the candle or the next candle. If I was taking real size, I would have sold or scaled out. I really should have taken real size. I just didn't know that it was up 12%. But I didn't take it. Just like I got stopped out right here. Yep, got stopped out 104. Uh oh.